Well, folks, I really tried to get you a video today. You can blame Chrysler. The attempt today was to pull off the oil pan on my TJ, and I was going to get you guys a video on how that's done. The reason I was pulling it off was, one, to fix the rear main seal, and two, because there's a nasty dent in the bottom of the oil pan, and I wanted to pound that out and reinforce the oil pan. It's really cold today, that's why I'm wearing this hat. My garage is indoors and heated, but you can hear the space heater running behind you. But yeah, so anyway, the exhaust on the TJ that comes off of the exhaust manifold runs straight under the oil pan and has to be removed in order to get the oil pan off. Well, we tried for an hour to get the bolts that connect the connecting pipe from the manifold to the cat off, and one of them rounded off, and after that happened, we just gave up. It's not going to happen, at least not today. So hopefully there will be a future video where I do the oil pan work and the rear main seal work, but it's not going to happen today. So, sorry folks.